Okay, hello everyone. So today we got the Kramer Vanguard coming in for a pro setup. Apart from that, the original pickups and electronics will be installed again. Back to the existing wiring configuration. Other than that, it's also deep cleaning for this guitar. Is as you can see, it's a bit dull and dusty. So after a while, it will actually settle in, actually gum up on the surface of the guitar itself. So this guitar requires a lot of deep cleaning, and actually after we clean up, then we reveal that the black finish has a bit of sparkle in it. So you can take a look at the end of the video, that is actually quite pretty. Okay, so that's all for this time. Stay tuned to the end of the video. If you need any of my help, you can WhatsApp me via WhatsApp 84189951. Bye.